Let's learn words from A to Z. Alphabet A. A for alligator. A for apple. A for airplane. A for anchor. A for ant. Alphabet B. B for ball. B for balloon. B for banana. B for butterfly. B for basket. Alphabet C. C for car. C for chair. C for carrot. C for cake. C for cat. Alphabet D. D for duck. D for drum. D for door. D for donkey. D for dog. Alphabet E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. E for emu. E for earth. Alphabet F. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F for fire. F for fan. Alphabet G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for guitar. G for glass. G for grass. Alphabet H. H for house. H for horse. H for helicopter. H for hat. H for hammer. Alphabet I. I for igloo. I for iguana. I for iron. I for ice. I for insect. Alphabet J. J for jellyfish. J for jaguar. J for jar. J for juice. J for jacket. Alphabet K. K for kangaroo. K for kettle. K for key. K for king. K for kite. Alphabet L. L for lion. for lemon. L for ladder. L for leaf. L for lamp. Alphabet M. M for monkey. M for mountain. M for moon. M for mango. M for mirror. Alphabet N. N for nest. N for notebook. N for narwhal. N for net. N for necklace. Alphabet O. O for orange. O for owl. O for octopus. O for otter. O for Owen. Alphabet P. P for parrot. P for pumpkin. P for piano. P for pizza. P for pencil. Alphabet Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for quarter. Q for quartz. Q for quill. Alphabet R. R for rabbit. R for rocket. R for rose. R for rainbow. R for raccoon. Alphabet S. S for snake. S for ship. S for star. S for sandwich. S for sun. Alphabet T. T for tomato. T for tiger. T for train. T for tree. T for table. Alphabet U. U for umbrella. U for urn. U for uniform. U for ukulele. U for unicorn. Alphabet V. V for violin. V for vase. V for vulture. V for van. V for volcano. Alphabet W. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for windmill. W for window. Alphabet X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for Xerox machine. X for X-ray tetra. Alphabet Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yam. Alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Z for zucchini. Z for zero. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Thank you for watching.